Hello friends, our today's activity is beads and strings. You will need a thick black color string, some colorful paper. We will draw thin lines at equal distance. And then cut them into strips. So we have these two strips. With the help of a toothpick or your ball pen refill, apply glue at the tip. You will roll these paper strips in a coil. Keep on applying glue at certain intervals. And tightly roll it into a coil like this. Apply glue at the edge. So now we've made a bead out of the strip. You can use colorful papers or magazine papers to create these beads. After we finish making the paper beads, we will apply transparent nail paint on the beads so that we create a glossy effect. We'll allow it to dry. Now you will need a black string. We are going to string these beads and create maybe a necklace or a keychain or a hanging or a bracelet, whatever you want to create. I'll just show you how to string these beads. This is a full length thread. I have folded it into equal half. See, we've taken equal, and this is the center. We will tie a small knot together like this at the center. To create a loop. See, we've created a loop. Now you can use this loop to either hang your key ring for the keychain or the end of the necklace or the bracelet. Now we'll set these two strings apart and we will pass one bead through the first string. Now see that you're holding the bead like this. It should face, this string should come outside. Here like this. Now pass the second string. So automatically your bead is knotted. See, now your bead is very secure. Now tie a knot. We will follow this step to string all the beads till the desired length. So I have stringed the bead in the thread. This is the desired length. See, this is the loop that we had started from, and this is the end. At the end I have tied two knots. I have rolled a bead slightly bigger in size. I'm going to string this using the same technique. And I'm tying a knot. I can use this last bead as a hook or something, like a loop, so that you can fix your bead in the loop that we have created. The beads from the paper, and we've learned how to knot these beads in a string.